Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. An Outlook signature disappear on Windows 11 and 10. So how to fix it? So guys, Windows R and type this one. I already mentioned in the description. Then click to OK. Then guys, Roman cache and select all and shift delete and then close it. Second solution, same as it is. Then try to second signature. Then click OK. Then select all and shift delete. Then second solution. Third solution, open Outlook. Then guys, try to signature in the signature box, ensure signature setting are correct in the Outlook. Okay, so first click to file, option, mail, then signature. Scroll down. So compare in message signature and new. Then enter any name, text, then type. Okay, here new message to text signature and reply forward to. If you have to 2 to 3, if you have to 2 to 3, you can this one. Then okay and close it. Then guys, open registry. Like click to start button, type REGE registry edit, then click it. Then custom current user, software, Microsoft Office, both 15 and 16. 15, then Outlook, then extract to 16, then again Outlook, then setup. This setup, if setup showing like so, then right click, new 32-bit, then right click to new add, sorry, 32-bit, then try disable roaming signature temporary and long. Okay, double click to value is 1, then okay, and then is close. Okay, this is enable signature from the registry edit. Then guys, restart your system and then please check it.